Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into timeless design meets cutting-edge innovation. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz is a modern masterpiece with a soul rooted in automotive history. Inspired by the legendary 300 SL and the iconic S280 SL, this car redefines luxury and performance in a way only Mercedes-Benz can. Every detail pays homage to its predecessors. From the sweeping lines that echo the 300 SL's elegance to the modern LED headlights that seamlessly integrate classic and contemporary styles, this car is a love letter to Mercedes' heritage. Interior design. Inside, it's a sanctuary. Soft Nappa leather, a panoramic glass roof, and customizable ambient lighting make every drive an event. The digital cockpit ensures that classic beauty meets 21st century functionality, offering advanced connectivity and driver assistance features. But let's talk performance. At the heart of this modern marvel is a turbocharged inline-six engine, pushing out an impressive 450 horsepower. The result: a 0 to 60 time of just 4.3 seconds, delivering the kind of exhilarating performance that would make the 300 SL proud. The adaptive suspension ensures a perfect balance of comfort and precision, whether you're taking on tight corners or enjoying a long road trip. And with multiple drive modes, you can tailor the experience to your mood: sport, comfort, or eco. The AMG-inspired braking system ensures you're always in control, while lightweight alloy wheels enhance both performance and aesthetics. Everything about this car is engineered for excellence. But what about the price? The base model starts at $120,000, and with optional features like the exclusive Heritage Package, which adds unique badging, bespoke paint options, and handcrafted interior touches, the price can climb to $150,000. This is more than just a car. It's a bridge between the past and the future, a testament to Mercedes-Benz's legacy of creating vehicles that capture the imagination and stir the soul. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz, where timeless meets cutting-edge performance. A true icon, reborn.